Attention, numismatists and collectors. Today, we will talk about the rarest coins that can make you rich. You can't even imagine what treasures can be hidden in your collection or among ordinary change. The first coin on our list is a unique 1970 proof Lincoln cent with a small date sign. This rare variety is easily identified by the height of the digit 7 relative to the 9 and 0. The small date sign is much rarer than the large one, which makes it especially valuable among collectors. This coin has amazing minting quality, almost flawless mirror surfaces and a contrasting matte relief. All this gives it incredible appeal. The result? At the Heritage auction, this coin was sold for $8,220. Yes, that kind of money for 1 cent. And this is just the beginning. Stay tuned, there are even more expensive and rare coins ahead. The next rarity is a perfect 1971 proof Washington quarter. This quarter is a real numismatic masterpiece. It received the highest possible grade of BR70 Deep Cameo from PCGS. What does it mean? It is an absolutely flawless coin, with not a single defect visible even under magnification. Out of 2.6 million minted, this one is literally perfect. Its mirror surface contrasts with the raised design, creating a stunning deep cameo effect. Such coins are a real find for collectors. Price? At Heritage Auction, this rare quarter went for $10,925. And even more expensive coins are ahead. Stay until the end, perhaps one of them will end up in your pocket. And now, a real find for rare coin hunters. 1972, Lincoln cent with a double strike, double die obverse. This coin is one of the most famous minting errors. It is easily identified by the clear doubling of the date, the word liberty, and the phrase "in God we trust." This is a classic FS 101 variety, which is prized among collectors. The specimen we are talking about received an incredibly high grade of MS 67 red from PCGS. This means that the coin is almost perfect, with a rich red surface and a bright coin luster. Price? This rare cent sold for $12,925. And this is not the most expensive coin on our list. Stay tuned, even more valuable specimens are ahead. And here we are, the most expensive coin on our list, $1,972 Eisenhower dollar, rare and valuable. This dollar, graded MS66 by NGC, is a real numismatic diamond. Although coins of this year are not so rare, the Type 2 version in such high quality is very rare. The coin has a silky satin shine, clear relief, and a beautiful warm golden hue. The result? This premium example went at auction for $14,400. So, we looked at 4 rare coins of the 70s that bring incredible money to their owners. Want to know about other rare and valuable coins? Then don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so as not to miss new releases. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.